guys have been asking for all the Tesla Model 3 content. I have so much more coming with videos coming out all the time. So I have a really cool autopilot video. So stay tuned. So you can really see how capable Tesla Autopilot is here. And it's really capable in the way you can see all the cars on the center display, and it really shows how well Autopilot is doing in this current situation with the traffic. And I feel very much like that before. I thought it's kind of sped up here, but I thought before that that Cadillac's thing was much more stable than Tesla Autopilot. But if you can see here, if you don't push it to its maximum, you can drive for hours in traffic like this, cars cutting in front of you, making lane changes without a single problem. It's very capable. The only time when it's not as capable as you would think is when it's in a situation where it has to really do a lot of stuff, merging from different highways to another, cutting between traffic. It sometimes stops in the middle of the highway, so that's a bit of a problem. So you can actually really see here how capable it is and how it's able to really go even on the corner lane. So you're gonna see, so the car is slowing down and right now is steering. And you can see how the music and everything, it's amazing. But on the screen, you'll see a little thing where it's saying upcoming lane change. And right now, we're even talking to it. It has a built-in voice assistant where it talks to you, and you can play music and adjust it using the stalks on the steering wheel. But it says upcoming lane change, and it's trying to get us into a different lane. So that's part of navigating on autopilot. So it just slowed down because the car in front of us just slowed down, and its reaction time is amazing. It just slowed all the way down to 1 mile an hour, now it's speeding up. And when there's no traffic, Tesla Autopilot is amazing because we're driving back on almost an hour drive, and it was at 65 miles an hour for the whole time. Now it's slowing down again. So I think it decided to not have us change lanes anymore. But it's going to have us change lanes so we're in the right lane, and so we don't, because this lane's going to become an exit only. And let's see if it can change on its own. So that'll be kind of cool. And if you like this Tesla video, I have lots of more recording, and I can give you lots of more content to watch. But right now it just slowed down. But if you look at the vehicle display, you can really see what it's doing, and it's going in the right lane. And before there are instances, there's a Tesla, but before there were instances where it would go onto the exit lane, and that was very annoying, and it would just get you off the highway when it wasn't supposed to. And that's sometimes not, and we're initiating a lane change right now, and it just amazingly did it, and that was amazing. And it's raining now, and you might have seen we didn't even touch the wipers. The wipers come on automatically. So that is an amazing thing. And it got us out of the lane, so the lane change was amazing. So you may see the 50 mile an hour warning on the screen. That's just a warning which helps to keep below a speed limit. We just transitioned to a different clip in the same thing, but it's basically the same drive, just a bit later. And if we keep going, it says change into a faster lane. But we're basically getting off the highway in a little bit. So sometimes the warnings, you just want to dismiss them because they're not always the most relevant warnings. So all the wipers right now are being 100% controlled about the car, and it's just an amazing experience. And let's see how well the rest of this drive goes. So tell me if you want like a challenging auto. Oh my gosh. That car just cut in front of us, but it's maintaining the speed, and it's keeping, I think it's a 5 or 6 car distance from the car in front of us, and that's really helpful when you're in instances like this, it's slowing down and speeding up, and we're going to be getting off the highway in a little bit. Sorry about the camera, but it's just a little bit unsteady. You can see how we're going, and I don't think I'm going to be able to film us getting off the highway, but thank you so much for watching. Check out my website, like this video, and bye.